so we're back in the morning. My bag of tools, got all my stuff that I think I need. Then we're gonna pop the bed off. It should be easier said than done because I'm gonna imagine it's pretty rusty. And we'll get all the stuff out of the bed, put it on the ground, start stack it up. All right, so I looked in both of these. There's actually nothing, which is kind of upsetting, but nothing in this one. There's like those cargo straps in the other one, so nothing crazy, but let's get all this out. All right, it's all out. A little bit beat, but the rust, better than the Bronco, that's for sure. You guys can see there's 6 bolts that hold the bed in from the top here. We're gonna be taking this off, and it does have a 2-inch body lift. So let's get this thing out of here. It's the 8-foot bed. Freaking, it's sweet. I actually really like this and how long it is. Like, put it on my truck. Probably sell all these parts, like stuff that is for the Ford. I don't need because it runs and drives. So all this is just optional stuff for the Ford. Sorry, the F-150. Like, leaf springs are good. Tons of random stuff. Finally got it all out, and I'm glad the bolts are through the top, I believe. So I'll have to go underneath, but we'll see. See how this goes. But we're getting there, guys. Once this is off, we can start taking pieces. So the bed's loose, guys. It's an 8-foot bed, but it's not heavy at all. Everything's loose, so that fell out completely. 2 zaps are holding it. I cut it. You guys can see there's the tube. It just fell out, the whole housing. So it's ready to come out. We're gonna lift it up, probably put it on the driveway, and then we're gonna see what we can use back here. But yeah, I got some tools. I don't have everything. I could have used some stuff to make this go faster, but yeah, we're gonna take the bed off. And there we have it, folks. The bed is, it's all right, I guess you could say, but it's definitely seen better days. I'm probably just gonna sell it. Like, I don't need anything off the bed, and you can see it's rusted out in a few spots, and that's the back. The tailgate, like, bed, everything, lights, like, wires are in there too. So, like, probably sell it, see what I can get for it. I definitely don't need this big pie piece. It's an 8-foot box. I don't need that sitting there like that. I'd have zero use for it. I got extra tailgates, I got the lights, I got everything I need from it, so that's gonna be up for sale. But we are now going to wash this frame. And if you look at this, guys, we have the yoke on this transfer case that I've been looking for forever. Whether it's the right one, I'm not sure, but there's a yoke there, and I've been looking for my Bronco. I need a yoke. Hopefully that's the right one. If it fits, that'd be mint. But we'll have to do some further investigating on that. But yeah, now we're just down to the frame. I might need this cross member if it's the right one. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some research later, but let's get it washed. We're just gonna close this off because there's still fuel in this, so we're just gonna close her. This is, okay, so that's good to know. We got 1 wire, that's it. Okay, so yeah, because this is still a running truck. Fuel's in there. You can still fire up, so. Yeah, he actually put the hanger for the exhaust. He hung it to the bed. So we were like, why isn't it coming up? And it's because it's freaking hung to the bed. So here's the engine bay. I haven't showed you guys it yet, really, but runs and drives, everything's wired up. Good carb, looks like fresh, so we'll probably take this one off and use it, but we'll figure that out. We gotta do body work first before we take any of the rest of the part. We can't really use anything from the fuel tank, I don't think. We'll have to get the fuel tank set up new, but like, whatever I think is better on this, I'm gonna transfer over. I don't know if these are actually better than mine. I'll have to compare a little bit. I don't really remember what mine looks like, but we got a little body lift, cut all these bolts off, and we got the wiring, which is big because I need the wiring. I don't know, this little pigtail piece, it's perfect. So whether it works or not, at least I know how it connects. I'm just gonna take all these. Oh, need some new hoses though. Yeah. Oh, he ran a, what's it called, the whole way? A soft hose, the whole way down the frame, instead of the hard gas hose. So I don't know, I didn't know you could do that. I don't know if that's legal, but yeah. Cleaned up, it's not really that interesting. It looks like we've got some patches on the frame on both sides. So my frame's definitely better, but we got tons of parts, so I didn't buy it for the frame at all. I bought it for mostly just because it ran and all these parts up here, right? This is a gold mine for me. He has new manifold bolts. Like, yeah, I don't know if I'm just gonna take the engine out, but I don't know. You never know until you're ripping, right? So, and we got all the linkage, and I can see where it all goes, which is sweet. We got like our starter stuff over there. This is a nice support. No rust compared to mine. Mine's pretty rusty, so we're gonna take that off. All right, guys, this is gonna mark the end of this video. Donor truck's getting stripped down. Took the bumper and that bull bar off. He's got some weird brackets set up. Actually, oh, it's for the 2-inch body lift. Okay, yeah, so it raised it up, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna do the body lift, but I wanna keep it if somebody wants to buy it. But good progress. Look at this guy. He's throwing shade at my YouTube channel. Yeah, we made good progress today, guys, and it's exhausting, but this Bronco isn't gonna build itself, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. I think now what I have to do, I think the gas tank is the really like the next step for the build. I have to get my hands on one. I have to get it in my frame. Like, that's the main part that's kind of holding me back right now. Once I get in the frame, and then I have to do the body work, right? Body work, once I get the body back on the frame, then we can just dismantle this thing and put all of it right into that one. And it'll be running like not too far from now if we can get our hands on a gas tank. But I haven't seen any local, and they're all like $600 shipping, so we'll see how that goes. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoy the new rig and the Bronco build. I'm gonna be busting my butt to get the Bronco ready to go for next summer and stuff, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So make sure you guys subscribe. It helps me out a lot, keeps me motivated. This is a huge project, and I need as much motivation as possible. But thanks to all you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.